Hey, it's Clay Trader for BullWarriorStocks.com. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol TDEY. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Been a while since the last time I did this, but had some requests and want to get it updated here as it had a nice little green day here to start off the new week, and I want to get just some supports and resistances mapped out. That way everybody's got an idea of what's going on from the technical perspective. So the first thing I want to point out, and pretty much is the most important thing of the chart, is going to be this level down here at 0028. And the reason this is so important is if we go back, actually let me change this to green first, since it is a key level of resistance. I'll make that extra thick since it does carry such a high degree of importance. But you can see right here, previous low back here was a support where the price bounced off, and then it's come back down here, and the lowest it's gone again was 0027, but the point being it's maintained above this 0028 and has now started to push upwards from it, closing at 0032. So in a nutshell, the point I'm trying to make here is 0028 is the must-hold level of support. If this has any chance of starting to bounce, and better yet, starting to reverse. So 0028, the key level of support for the chart. Now, in terms of resistance levels, the big one right now is going to be this pink line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average. That is valued at 0033, so you can see close at 0032. So right below this key level of resistance, if the price can push up through there, and I should note, if it's got any chance of pushing through, I think a volume bar is going to have to be bigger than what you had today. But so a volume bar like that would be beautiful. Anything like that, it is going to take some effort and some momentum to push through there. Not saying impossible, but it is going to take some increasing volume. So keep your eye on these volume bars, and hopefully the bigger they become, then the higher the odds that a break will occur. But with a break of that, then the next level of resistance is going to be right up here at this previous high, and we'll call that at 004. And then after 004, nothing really until up in this area here, up in the 5. So some nice bounce potential here, but obviously one step at a time. Needs to continue to maintain 0028 and get above 0033, the 200-day simple moving average. So again, the two most important things: 0028 holding, and then seeing these volume bars increase. Those are going to be the two big factors on whether or not TDEY has any sort of chance of starting to really pop back up on the traders' radar. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd like to direct your attention down here to my private trading group. What it is, it's a group of traders, and every week I send out weekly trade ideas. The traders range from beginners to advanced traders, and we're actually going to have a chat room here pretty soon. So if you want to come out and hang out with me during the trading day, get my thoughts on the markets, that will be coming. When that does come, though, it'll be a different pricing structure. So I'd encourage you to check it out and take advantage of the current pricing structure right now. So again, this was TDEY. Thanks for listening, and have a good one.